Then there is a free tool called Audacity, and you can post process your audio in that tool and make it better, like more professional sounding. So I record my video and my sound in different softwares. So I am on Windows, so I use OBS Studio to record my video only. But the mic sound, for that I use this software called Audacity. So before we start the tutorial, just a couple of tips. Don't keep your mic too close to your mouth because it will capture your breaths which you take in between words. And if there are too many of those, then while post processing, it's difficult to remove them. The second thing is, once you start recording, don't talk or don't click your mouse or don't make any noise for the first 5 seconds. Let it capture the noise in the environment around you. That can be fans noise, that can be AC's noise, noise coming from outside. So once you do post processing, you can, capture that first 5 seconds and then remove those noises from your final output. So with these two pointers, let me start the video and the tutorial. The first step now is to remove the environment noise. So select the quiet part of the recording, go to noise removal and repair, noise reduction, and click on get noise profile. Then press Ctrl A, select all of the audio file, then click on repeat noise reduction. The next step is to go to EQ and filters, click on filter curve EQ, go to preset and settings, factory presets, low roll off for speech, and just apply the default values. Next, again go to EQ filters, go to filter curve EQ, preset and settings. Now go to treble boost. And this you might experiment a little bit with, but according to my voice, I just keep it at 3 dB. But you can increase and decrease and check it. So click apply and then you can play and check it out, but I usually keep it at 3. Next step, again, go to effects, go to legacy compressor, and these are my settings, so you can use those. And then just click apply. So next step is to find the breath noises in your recording. So if you keep the mic a little bit too close, you'll find some breath noises like these. That's a breath noise. So you'll have it in multiple places. Check the number on the top bar and check these at multiple places. So you want to find the one with the highest. So that is -39. So we want to remove any noises like this, any breath noises. So go to effects, go to EQ and filter, go to noise removal and repair, go to noise gate, and just whatever that number is, just put it here, -39, like select that specific thing and click on preview, don't click on apply. So now you see nothing happened. So we'll have to keep changing this value and find the correct value with which that noise decreases. Let's try -35. Again, nothing happened. So let's try -30. Again, nothing happened. -27. So -27 makes that go away, but we want to keep it as close to the actual value as possible. So -28 also works. So let's try -29. -29, the voice is still there. So I'll keep it -28.5. So this is, again, it is there. So let's keep -28. So with this, it goes. So now we'll apply -28 to the whole audio level. Now, one thing to keep in mind here is that don't do it too much because it might affect your whole recording. So if you feel like it affected other parts of your recording, just increase the value or keep the breath noises. So I applied -28. Now let's check it out. To enhance sample. So that breath noise went. So now on to the next step. We'll go to loudness normalization. YouTube usually has a -14 limit, but I go for -12. So this has increased the volume. Now you see some of these places it is going overboard. We don't want that. So go to legacy limiter, copy the settings that I have and click apply. Now this is the final audio. So this is an audio sample I'm recording. I'm going to use so this is the enhanced version. Now I'll save it. Now let's compare the enhanced and the original audio. Make this sound more professional, and this is currently the natural output of my mic, and finally now this is enhanced. Make this sound more professional, and this
It's a
is
little bit
currently
crisp.
the natural output of my mic, and finally we'll see how this gets. Make this sound more professional, and this is currently the natural output of my mic, and finally we'll see how this gets enhanced. Make this sound more professional, and this is currently the natural output of my mic, and finally we'll see how this gets enhanced. So the enhanced one is a little bit more crisp, and like if you put on the headphones you'll know it better. So this is the final way final audio quality that I export and use in my videos.